Okay, so we're going to look at Bunzl, quarter 3 results out on Tuesday. What should traders be looking for?
Yeah, it's overall, it sort of was going very well for Bunzl up until, I guess, really the start of October. It sort of had spent the year recovering the really fairly sharp losses it's seen at the end of 2017, but by the start of October it was at a 16-month high, so things were going well for the company. Since then, however, like sort of the wider market issues in sort of the first half of October really hit the stock and sort of dragged, maybe made it lose like £3, of the gains it had seen in 2018. In terms of its figures, though, I think the half-year figures back in August, they were very strong. It explains why it was sort of crawling back up to that 16-month high. I think revenue was up 5% to £4.3 billion. I think adjusted pre-tax profit was up 4% to, I think, just shy of £260 million. Sorry. It also announced that it bought a Norwegian firm. I think it's Enor,
Right.
which I think that was its fourth acquisition of the year. It takes it to its presence to 31 companies around the world. Sort of acquisitions are sort of key for Bunzl at the moment. That's one of the key ways they're expanding their revenue. In regards to that then, there hasn't really been any acquisition updates since that half-year report in August. So I think that could be something to watch out for on Tuesday. You know, they used the half-year update back in August to announce that purchase. They could do the same again on Tuesday. Yeah. Beyond that, I think just a continuation of the fairly decent sort of mid-level, mid-single-digit revenue growth should be enough to perhaps see Bunzl bounce back off of its recent lows. I think our clients are buying around the £22 mark, looking for some kind of bounce on Tuesday. You know, like with a lot of stocks at the moment heading into this earnings season, the start of October was fairly rough, but does give them room to bounce back if their figures do end up impressing on whatever day they're reporting. So like I said, clients buying around the £22 mark.
Okay, thanks Connor.